Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Perched on the hills overlooking the North Thompson Valley, Batchelor Heights is a quiet residential neighborhood in Kamloops. Known for its elevated views and peaceful setting, the area offers a clear perspective of the river below and the surrounding landscape. Its location on the city's northern slopes reflects the steady expansion of Kamloops into the hillsides, where modern development meets the natural terrain of British Columbia's interior. Batchelor Heights itself is a relatively recent development, with most of its growth occurring in the late 20th century as the city expanded outward. Improvements in road access and infrastructure made it possible to build on the steeper terrain, turning once undeveloped hills into a network of residential streets. The neighborhood's design emphasizes its views and natural surroundings, giving it a distinct character within the city. The environment around Batchelor Heights is defined by Kamloops' semi-arid climate, with hot summers, cool winters, and dry grasslands stretching across the hills. The area is close to outdoor recreation opportunities, including hiking and walking trails that follow the contours of the landscape. The combination of elevation and open space provides a sense of quiet that sets it apart from more densely developed parts of the city. Today, Batchelor Heights reflects the ongoing evolution of Kamloops as it grows beyond its historic core. From its indigenous heritage to its modern role as a residential community, the neighborhood is shaped by both history and geography. It remains a place where the natural landscape continues to define daily life, offering a connection to the broader story of the Thompson Valley. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior. This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!